Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best circular saw on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max Circular Saw for Framing. The DEWALT DCS 577B is a worm drive circular saw, but it's quite different than the ones I've reviewed on this article. Most of the worm drive saws out there are all left-hand circular saws, which makes it difficult for right-hand users to see the cutting line when making a cut. This one, however, is a right-hand worm drive saw. This means the line of sight problem is solved for right-hand users. Apart from that, one more reason why this DEWALT DCS 577B is special is that it's cordless. It's kind of hard to imagine that a powerful beast-like saw like this can run continuously on batteries successfully. However, with DEWALT 60V FLEXVOLT batteries, any tool can run on batteries these days. The DCS 577B runs on DEWALT 60V FLEXVOLT batteries, which you actually have to buy separately from the tool. You'll find this very useful whether you're a framer, general contractor, carpenter, or a quality tool-loving homeowner looking for a top-of-the-line circular saw to get the job done. Our list at number 2. Bosch Worm Drive Circular Saw. The Bosch JS260 top-handle jigsaw provides a sturdy footplate for accuracy in the cut, as well as a 6.0 amp motor and variable speed control. The sturdy motor produces up to 100 strokes per minute with a 3/4 in stroke length. The variable speed dial controls the maximum speed, while the accelerator trigger regulates the operating speed. This jigsaw is engineered with a low vibration plunging design for cutting accuracy and smooth operation. It has a large heavy-gauge steel footplate. The JS260 multidirectional blade clamp delivers the superior grip of T-shank blades, but it does not accept U-shank blades. The toolless T-shank blade change system makes blade insertion and removal quick. The tool has an always-on dust blower for max cut line visibility and an ambidextrous lock-on button. Our list at number 3. Makita 5477 NB 7/1/4 Hypoid Saw. Makita's 7/1/4-inch Hypoid Saw, model 5477 NB, combines a powerful 15-amp motor and Makita's efficient Hypoid gears with ease-of-use features for more power, better performance, and superior cuts. The 5477 NB is engineered for framing walls, siding, roofs, and floors using a range of dimensional lumber and engineered lumber, including OSB, LVL, PSL, plywood, and more. It is ideal for framers, builders, carpenters, and general contractors seeking a best-in-class 7/1/4-inch Hypoid saw. The 5477 NB has a powerful 15-amp motor with ball-bearing construction for increased productivity. Makita's efficient hybrid gears have greater surface contact and deliver more constant power. The oil bath technology and sealed gear housing are engineered for less maintenance, with high-quality heat-treated Hypoid gears for long-lasting performance. The 5477 NB includes a Makita 7/1/4-inch general contractor framing blade with advanced tooth design. The carbide tips are specifically set to withstand the harshest conditions such as plowing through nail-embedded wood. The blade is designed with special Makita heat vents strategically set to dissipate heat and increase performance. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.